#1 news team. This is Channel 3 Reports.
Tonight, a family is pleading for help from the public regarding the disappearance of a family member. An audio broadcast technician for the Clairvoyance Media Group, Isaac Fisher, has been missing for over 24 hours. His last message to his family said that he would be working later than expected, but the following morning, he was reported as missing. His last known whereabouts are not fully known, but it is believed he was likely doing maintenance on one of the local radio towers as a reported hijacking was taking place. Isaac's employer, Clairvoyance Media Group, has refused to respond to the situation as of yet.
Welcome back, Sleepyheads. I'm your host, Liam, and you're listening to 92.2 KKYM.
I know it's getting late, but we are just getting started on our newest segment, The Midnight Hour. And no, I don't get to pick the names around here. Either way, the lines are open for any deprived storytellers to give their creepiest or craziest stories for the night. Trust me, guys, this is a much needed break from the same top 600 songs I'm playing all night. Any buyers? Bingo. Earth to Caller, you're live on KKYM. You got a story for us?
Oh, hi. Yes. Sorry, I haven't done this before.
It's all good. We've got plenty of airtime to spare for you.
Give us your worst.
Yeah. So, I'm a relay maintenance guy for a lot of the broadcast towers around here. Usually I just handle the electric stuff, but, I don't know, one day on the job I felt like something was wrong.
What, you blow a fuse or something? You're practically the only thing holding the show together.
No. Not that. It was some humming noise coming from somewhere. Something. Can't really tell. Figured it was some incoming frequency, so I measured it. 25,000 hertz.
25,000 hertz? That's beyond human hearing, pal. There's no way.
Yes, I know, but I swear, it was there in my ears. It only got louder and louder, too. No station would be able to broadcast something like that.
So you're telling me that some kind of alien dog whistle decided that the middle of nowhere would be the best place to touch down at? I mean, seriously?
No. That's where you're wrong, Liam. This wasn't some natural creation. It was near divine. At first, I didn't understand it, but as I listen more and more, I can hear what it's trying to tell me, see what it's trying to show me. I can't stop listening. I won't stop listening.
You're Isaac Fisher. You've been missing for 2 days.
I couldn't leave this behind. I've just been here listening. It's revealed so much to me, and this lie I've been living.
Isaac,